Welcome to Skedra Zone 1. Monthly video, March 2025. Excavation and transportation. Excavation. 110,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated this month. $3,300,000 tons have been excavated cumulatively up to March 2025. Transportation. 115,000 tons of contaminated soil have been transported to the treatment center this month. 3,430,000 tons have been transported to the treatment center cumulatively up to March 2025. All the contaminated soil for the purpose of remediation has been transported to the treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. $100,000 tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads this month. $3,100,000 tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads cumulative up to March 2025. Remediation progress. Bioremediation. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 51 batches, covering approximately 460,780 tons of soil. A total of 53 soil samples were taken. This consists of 10 baseline samples, 28 IPT samples, and 15 VT samples. For this month, 120,000 tons have achieved the RTC through bioremediation. The soil washing plant. For soil washing operations this month, the following activities and metrics were recorded. 1 baseline sample was collected, and 1 treatment verification sample was collected. This month, 2 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. Overall, 27 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. The soil washing plant operated for a total of 107 hours and processed 4,400 tons of soil. This month, 6,600 tons have achieved RTC through the soil washing plant. 2,350,000 tons through bioremediation and 150,000 tons through the soil washing process. The breakdown is as follows. 2,200,000 tons in band 1% to 5%. 200,000 tons in band 5% to 7%. 100,000 tons in band 7% to 10%. The total soil remediated cumulative up to March 2025 is 2,500,000 tons. Landfill. Landfill infilling process. 572,217 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with a total of 12,866 trips. (524,068 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by South with 10,725 trips. A total of 1,096,286 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 23,591 trips.